Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. This conveyor system is more than functional. It's hypnotic, like a ballet of machines performing a perfectly choreographed routine. Solid wood boards are precisely cut to equal lengths. This isn't a magic trick, it's physics done with finesse. Another brilliant example of how tech meets artistry. Who needs geometry lessons when you can just eyeball it and saw a perfect circle like this guy? Honestly, it's scary to imagine what this car has been through to end up in such rough shape. But where there's grime, there's hope. You can almost feel the transformation coming. Cinderella's carriage moment is just around the corner. Watching glassblowers at work is endlessly fascinating, but here's a question. Do they ever get entranced by their own creations? Because when fire, molten glass, and seamless motion combine, the result feels like real-life magic. Some builders don't just handle tools with skill, they've got dance moves too. But remember, a construction site isn't a dance floor, and if you lose your footing, those bricks might become your next dance partners. When fish get treated to an all-you-can-eat feast, this is what it looks like. A frenzy of splashes, swirling water, and a storm of happy fins. Honestly, they look more satisfied than we do after a trip to the buffet. Gravity? These motorcyclists must have skipped that class. How else do you explain them riding straight up a vertical cliff like it's a Sunday cruise, while racing each other to the top? Laying patterned parquet isn't like just slapping down tiles by eye. This takes precision, patience, and golden hands to transform a floor into a true masterpiece. Watching this craftsman, you just know he's got a built-in level in his brain. Using a spray gun, the surface is quickly coated in green paint, covering it efficiently. A stencil is used to imprint a wood grain pattern, replicating the natural texture of wood. His wall art skills are seriously impressive. You can tell he's got plenty of experience under his belt. Great job, kid. There's real talent there. The way color is applied to these cakes is pure elegance, making each one a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. You couldn't replicate it even if you tried. Every swirl is uniquely beautiful. This is the kind of work that brings peace to your soul. Crafting such pieces isn't just about skill, it's about fully enjoying every moment of the process. True artistry. Here's a clever little hack. Use an ordinary bag and some paint to create elegant floral prints. It's simple, stylish, and totally worth trying. You'll be amazed by the results.
Now can I get up next to you, up in the middle with it?
The wood cutting was a success. Clean, precise, and efficient. Hollow bricks? No problem. Just apply mortar along the edges and keep building. Watching eclairs glide down the production line is more than food prep. It's a delicious little performance in motion. Feeding and cleaning up after livestock might sound routine, until you watch it at double speed. Suddenly it's a full-on farm performance. When the workspace feels great and the controls are spot on, the results speak for themselves. Clean, efficient, and done with flair. Soldering a pink daisy with molten lead feels like jewelry making with a twist. Heavy materials become delicate flowers in the hands of a true artisan. Hard to describe exactly what's happening here, but you can't deny it's absolutely captivating. When music runs in your veins, even the simplest object becomes an instrument. Now that's some serious speed. This person's working like a machine. The trick is learning to find joy in repetitive tasks. Once you do, the job becomes much easier. That omelet looks so light and fluffy, it's like a cloud landing in the frying pan. Calling all perfectionists, this one will satisfy your soul. Small tool, big impact. After some precise work, this machine looks brand new, like it just rolled off the production line. Flawless down to the last detail. Who says acrobatics are only for the circus? These construction workers prove otherwise. Ripped carpet, no problem. There's now a smart fix that's quick and easy. With a little technique, your carpet will look brand new. No one will ever guess there was damage.